Naxos Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Renoxa Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Renoxa Solutions, I'm going to show you my nurse watch. This is also referred to as a FOB watch, and it is usually worn by nurses on duty. It has a built-in pin which you can use to attach this watch on your clothing. The usual location where you want this watch to be attached to is the chest pocket. That's because the chest pocket is the ideal level for you to clearly see the time on your watch. The idea is the same with that of the wristwatch. When you want to check the time on your wrist, you actually lift your hands closer to your face to see the time on the watch. Another reason for a nurse to wear this watch is that some hospital may require you to wear this instead of a wristwatch. A wristwatch can get in a way when the nurses are washing hands in between different patients. Also, the bracelet of the watch you're wearing while tending to a patient can be a catalyst for transferring diseases. That can happen if your watch gets accidentally puked upon by a patient or it scrapes off infected skin cells, then that can pose a serious health risk for other patients as well. So I think that this is the reason why nurses are instructed to wear this instead. I had this watch like almost 1 year now, and the battery has stopped providing power to it. Now, as you can see, I am trying to replace its battery from a generic one. The original battery is already dead, but its equivalent battery from Maxell is number 377. If your local shop doesn't have the actual battery for your watch, then you might want to Google up the equivalent number. For example, the original battery has a different number and it's not 377, but luckily the 377 is rightfully compatible to this watch.
Tahimik na naman yung gabi. Tahimik na naman yung gabi. Tahimik na yung gabi.
I have made it a habit that whenever I replace the back cover of a watch, I would simply dust off or blow dry the machine inside the watch to remove the um, debris or dust from the watch that can pose a problem to it in the long run. Luckily for this type of watch, it's very easy to replace the back cover and you can snap it on with your fingers. You don't actually need to use a cupping tool to replace its cover. And just to show you how the nurses wear it on, this is how they do it. There. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.